Think about it. If hard work alone made people rich, construction workers and teachers would be the richest people on the planet. The truth? 90% of people will never get rich. And it's not their fault. It's how the system is set up. I remember being 22, standing at a bus stop in the pouring rain, and then a shiny luxury car drove by. The driver relaxed and calm, and there I was, soaking wet, frustrated, and angry. That's when it hit me. Real wealth isn't about emotions. It's about math. I'm going to show you the 8-4-3 principle that changed my life. If you understand this, you could compress 8 years of struggle into just 4. But first, you need to see why most people take the wrong first step and fail. Charlie Munger said, "Getting your first $100,000 is brutal." And he was right. Back in 2015, my close friend was getting married. I had a credit card. I could have swiped it and gone. But I said no. Saying no felt like moving a mountain. Friends laughed, called me cheap. This was the phase where saving and patience are truly tested. Compounding is asleep at first. Like a plane on the runway, most fuel is used just to take off. First 8 years, grind and sacrifice. Next 4 years, acceleration, thanks to my army of dollars. Final 3 years, explosion. This isn't luck, it's math. My colleague Rizwan, flashy BMW, iPhone, luxury watch. Me, old car, homemade lunch. Then the pandemic hit. Rizwan was broke. I was secure. Why? My money was silently working for me. At first, I dabbled in trading, chasing hot tips. Half my 6-month savings vanished. Then I realized, complexity doesn't work. Investing should be boring. If it excites you, you're probably gambling. Today, I'm secure and free. If I could do this, so can you.